There are additional task features that you may find useful. So we'll go ahead and break them down in this video so you can get the most out of creating your tasks. So to get to the advanced features, simply click on the task card to pull up the task details. From here, you can rename the task. So we'll add the word weekly. You can assign people to it. You can add labels. Labels are useful for organization. You can rename the labels by clicking the pencil and calling this meetings. Again, whatever you want to rename it. We'll call this one demos. Call red problems. And simply clicking the various tags will allow the labels to be added to the card. You can change which bucket you want the task to be in by clicking this drop down here. You can update the progress. So for example, you can change this to in progress and change the bucket to doing so that anyone who comes to look at the progress of this task will be able to see exactly where you are in the task. You can change the priority to urgent, important, medium, or low. You can set a start date or an end or a due date. Say April 16th. You can add notes if needed. These are great for any details that need to be added to the task when you assign it to someone. Beneath the notes section, you create Beneath the notes section, you can create a checklist for the task. So if there are multiple steps that are needed to complete the task, you will put them in here. So outline meeting objectives, send meeting invites, or whatever additional tasks need to be. Clicking enter after each one will add it to the checklist and then allow you to add more. You have the option to show this on the card in the plan, or you can uncheck it. I personally prefer to leave it on there so that when I'm looking at my plan, I can see any items that have additional steps needed. This icon right here, the arrow, up arrow with the line, will allow you to convert a checklist item to a new task in the same bucket. Or you can delete a checklist item if you need to. You can add attachments by clicking Add Attachment. You can add a file or a link if you have one in SharePoint. File will allow you to obviously browse your computer and locate the file there. And if you need to add any additional comments, you can type them in this box and hit send. The three dots up here will also allow you to copy the task, which will take the items and status you have in here, create a second task, which then you can rename. You can remove the task, you can copy a link to a task, or you can delete it. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to, hit like. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you get notified the next time I post a tech nugget. And if you want to learn about how I can help you train your team on Office 365, be sure to visit my site, mypalsolutions.com, and drop me a line. I'd love to help you out.